Best Solo Adventure Cities Revealed. Imagine exploring the world on your own terms. Solo travel offers freedom and self-discovery. Here are the 7 best cities for an unforgettable solo adventure. First on the list is Tokyo. This bustling metropolis blends tradition with futuristic charm. Safe and efficient, Tokyo's vibrant neighborhoods and serene temples promise an enriching experience. Next, Barcelona captivates with its art and architecture. Wander through Gaudi's masterpieces or relax on sandy beaches. The city's lively atmosphere makes it perfect for solo travelers. Reykjavik is a haven for nature lovers. The capital of Iceland offers stunning landscapes from geysers to glaciers. Its friendly locals ensure you'll never feel alone. In Southeast Asia, Bangkok stands out. Known for its street food and temples, it's both affordable and exciting. The city's energy and chaos are a solo traveler's delight. Melbourne is Australia's cultural capital. Enjoy its coffee culture, street art, and music scene. The city's laid-back vibe and friendly community make it ideal for independent exploration. Amsterdam, with its picturesque canals and rich history, is another fantastic choice. Bike through cobblestone streets and visit world-class museums. Its welcoming locals make solo travel a breeze. Finally, Cape Town offers a blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. Hike Table Mountain or explore the vibrant waterfront. The city's diversity ensures a memorable solo journey. Embark on your solo adventure and discover the world's wonders on your own terms. Each city offers unique experiences that will enrich your soul and broaden your horizons.